Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, power windows, power outlet, towing package, pass-through rear seat, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2013 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, security system, power door locks, power windows, intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.